In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project with others in Todoist. Sharing a project is really useful when you're working with a team, coordinating with family, or just want someone else to see or help manage your tasks. Instead of sending screenshots or copying tasks manually, you can invite people directly into a project so everyone stays on the same page. First, open your Todoist app or go to the Todoist website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look through your list of projects on the left side of the screen or in the Projects tab on mobile. Take a moment to find the specific project you want to share. This might be something like a work project, a shopping list, or a personal planning board. Click or tap on that project to open it fully so you can see all the tasks inside. Once your project is open, look for the three dots icon. This is usually found near the top right corner of the project view. It may appear as three small vertical or horizontal dots depending on your device. Think of this as the project's options or settings menu. Go ahead and click or tap on those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options related to your project. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Share. Click or tap on Share to open the sharing panel for your project. In this sharing panel, Todoist will let you invite other people to collaborate. Typically, you can type in the email address or choose from suggested contacts, depending on your setup. After you enter the person or people you want to invite, confirm the invitation. They'll receive a notification or email letting them know they've been added to your project. Once they accept, they'll be able to see the project, view existing tasks, and, depending on your permissions, add, edit, or complete tasks. This makes it much easier to coordinate responsibilities and keep everyone updated without extra messages or confusion. If at any point you want to stop sharing or adjust who has access, you can return to the same three dots menu, open the Share section again, and manage or remove collaborators there. And that's it. By selecting your project, clicking on the three dots, and then choosing Share, you can quickly and easily collaborate with others in Todoist.